Welcome to my kitchen. Today we are making two easy and delicious meals using one base recipe: juicy and flavorful chicken tacos and healthy chicken bowls. Perfect for dinner tonight and meal prep for the week. Let's start cooking. Marinate the chicken. In a large bowl, combine 5 chicken breasts with previously made marinade. For Carne Asada, this recipe was credited to Sam, the cooking guy on YouTube. Mix until all coated and cover to marinate, preferably overnight in the fridge. Add 2 cups of rice into the rice cooker and rinse with cold water until the water is clear. I did 4 times. Your rice may be different and requires fewer or more rinses. Place a pot into the rice cooker. Plug it to an electric outlet and press the cook button. You can leave it and forget it. While we are waiting for the rice to be cooked, let's make some fresh salsa. Add all the prepped ingredients: diced cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, onion, apple, cilantro, and minced garlic, including the seasoning such as salt, pepper, cumin, chili pepper, a dash of cayenne if you like it spicy, and dry oregano. Last but not least, lime juice. Take a taste test and add more seasoning if needed. Mine turned out just right. Cover the bowl and set it in the fridge. While I was cutting and chopping, my husband grilled the marinated chicken outside. When they were done, I diced the chicken breasts and set them aside. Next, prepare the garnishes. I diced bell peppers in different colors: red, orange, and yellow. Diced some tomatoes. I used cherry tomatoes and onions. Rough chop some cilantro. Shred medium cheddar cheese. Wash lettuce leaves off camera. Place all onto a platter. Season the rice. After the rice cooker is turned into warm, it's ready. Fluff the rice with a plastic or wooden paddle. Season the rice with salt, pepper to taste, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I used regular olive oil because it's more neutral in flavor, and some chopped cilantro for color and flavor. Mix well. The exciting part: assemble the taco bowl. In a serving bowl, ladle some seasoned rice. Add chopped chicken. Boy, did I add a load of chicken into the bowl. Add veggie garnishes and fresh salsa. Top with some shredded cheese. Add a wedge of lime. Now it's taco time. Place 3 lettuce leaves in a platter. Ladle a thin layer of rice onto each leaf. Add grilled chicken. I was really fretting over lettuce that was going to topple over. Top with fresh salsa, cheese, cilantro, and a wedge of lime. And that's it. 2 delicious meals from one simple recipe. Chicken tacos for now and chicken bowls for later. Who said you couldn't have both at the same time? And let me know your favorite toppings in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Please check in the description below for ingredients, step-by-step cooking instructions, and links to products frequently used in my videos. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe for more authentic dishes from around the world. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.